Hey, this is Michael again. So this is my new Windows 10 computer. As like I said, I was gonna put a graphics card in it and make sure it's 4K gaming compatible. So my specific card is Radeon 480. Now the thing is, um, I ca- I kind of want to show you guys what I created. Okay, so obviously I have Windows 10 on here. I downloaded all my video editing software. I downloaded a couple games. I got all my launchers, WeatherBug. Um, and the thing is, I played Fortnite several times with my friends, and every time Fortnite ends up crashing. Anyways, I don't have that problem with Star Wars Battlefront 2 or Minecraft, but um, it seems to go okay. Anyways, um, so and also I added my mom's my mom wanted me to get some of her files off of her hard drive, so I put her hard drive on in there to get all the files off. Um, as you can see here, all I gotta do is just go to the pictures and it's there. Anyways, so it's Windows 10, and I'm hoping to get maybe like four more fans to add to the system so that it can run Fortnite. I think that's the problem. The temperature is too hot. PC is getting too hot. Anyways, you know, and so I even got a good PC um headphones to work. I even got a nice pair of headphones to work, and with the mic, that's why it sounds a lot better now, I think. Um, anyways, thank you guys for watching, and remember, never doubt the ability of a computer.